Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your reels on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, the first method that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do so without deleting them is while you're actually posting the reel. So I'm just going to go ahead, create a very short reel, just record a blank video, then I'm going to go next and next again, and when we're on this screen, what you can do is you can scroll down until you get to the audience tab, click on that, and set it to close friends. Now this is going to set it up for the close friends, and you have the option to remove everybody from your close friends, and in that case pretty much nobody will be able to see the reel if your close friends are well, empty. However, if you want to hide it after it's already been posted, that's also an easy thing to do. What we're going to do is I'm going to go over into my profile. I'm going to select one of my reels, for example, let's say this one, and I'm going to click on the three dots in the bottom right, go into manage, and from here, as you can see, for some reason it's still archived, so let me just restore it really quickly, refresh this, and I'm going to go back, and as you'll see, for some reason it doesn't want to unarchive it, but pretty much to archive it you just go into manage, and at the bottom here where it says show on profile, it should say archive with a red icon, so just click on that, and once you do that your reel will be archived. You can go into your profile settings, go into the archive and into the post archive, and as you can see it is empty because I unarchived that reel previously. However, for some reason it still doesn't want to give me the option to archive it back, so let me just go ahead and try that again. Let me just go to the main page, let me refresh, and maybe now it will give me the option to archive it back. Okay, it doesn't, but it doesn't matter anyway. You just have to click on archive, confirm that you can archive it. When you do archive it, it will delete any other remixes of your reels, as well as mute any that are using the original audio of those said reels. However, once you restore them, everything else will be restored as well, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.